The issue: ponding damage on the roof of your commercial building, the high cost of repairing and maintaining your roof. The solution is Pondaway, the do-it-right, keep-it-light commercial roof pond restoration system. Using Pondaway is a simple process. First, apply the liquid fusion binding primer to the clean ponding area, just before applying the proprietary Pondaway lightweight filler. Second, mix the Pondaway ultra lightweight filler using a patent-pending compound that is ultra lightweight and uses environmentally green aggregate. Third, apply the Pondaway filler to the previously primed ponding area. As Pondaway fully sets, it chemically bonds to the roof, preventing future damage to the treated areas. Pondaway costs 40% less than competitor products and includes delivery to your job site. Our product is also 260% lighter than competitor products. Finally, seal Pondaway with the roof coating of your choice. Pondaway will not crack or delaminate when set and cured. Pondaway is a game changer. Just look at all these benefits we offer over all our competitors. Pondaway is 260% lighter than competitor products and does not produce weight-bearing issues on already distressed roofs. Truly restores commercial roofs, adding years to their lifetime. Coverage is 25% more than competitors. Pondaway is 40% less expensive than competitor products, and cost includes delivery. Pondaway changes everything. To obtain a sample kit, call or email us today.